Hello and welcome to day 3 of our solve of this, the Taskmaster Advent Calendar. I'm Dr. Gareth Moore.
And I'm Laura Jane.
And we're puzzle and brain training authors. And yesterday we identified that day 3 was by here,
the treadmill.
under the treadmill.
Something I don't usually use in the festive period.
Yes.
All right.
In 11 out of the first 17 series, the person leading after episode 3... Oh, they've underlined it 3 because it's day 3. Because yesterday 2 was underlined for day 2. I thought it was a clue, but it was just being sweet.
It might be a clue though.
Oh.
What if it differs?
Let's a strong start often counts. Okay, there we go. And here is our daily task for today.
Let's find out. Ooh, that's day 3 bonus task. Let's start with day 3's task. Okay, official task.
Ooh, it's a code. To code this, you have until tomorrow. Your time starts now. Let's put that there. And inside the room, well, there's a pineapple. It looks like it's hanging on a cord, but I think maybe it is hanging on a cord.
Don't know. Hard to say.
Over this side of the room is a goose.
Goose.
Or possibly a swan. It's a very sad swan.
Whiteboard, duck,
whiteboard with duck. And another banana.
What's
We've seen a lot of banana. Oh, on the floor.
Feather?
I don't know.
A little pear.
What is that?
Another duck.
Is it a duck? I was going to say it looks like a poop emoji that's yellow.
I think it's a duck.
I don't think there's anything. Oh, there's stuff on the top.
Ooh.
Important stuff.
Important stuff
do you know
on
what?
the top.
I don't think we've looked at the top of the previous rooms.
No, we didn't.
Task. Okay, so it's shown us how it's translated.
Great.
And they've all shifted back one letter in the alphabet.
They have.
So T has gone back one letter to S, A has gone back one letter to Z, wrapping around. S has gone back a letter to R, and K has gone back a letter to J.
Yay, so now we can decode.
So we should look at the bonus one first, or should we do this first?
Let's do that one first.
Okay.
Then we can do the bonus task.
Okay,
do you want to be chief decoder?
Yes, so W-H-E-E-L-I-E. Wheelie. It's going to be bin.
I think it might be.
A wheelie bin. There we
Great.
go. And then let's have a look at the extra tasks. So,
bonus task.
Ooh, make the best snowflake using a piece of paper. You must make exactly 6 cuts. If you want to make more than 6 cuts, you must perform the entire exercise with your non-dominant hand.
Incredible. That's so fun.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to do it. Are you going to do it?
No, I'm not going to do it on camera now, but what a fun thing to do at home. With your friends and family.
So, a wheelie bin.
I see them, top right. There's 3 wheelie bins just there.
So we guess that when we open this...
It should say...
Day 4.
Dun, dun, dun.
I'm trying to open it elegantly, but I'm also completely failing.
It's okay. It's a high pressure moment.
Day 4. We finished it. There we go. That's day 4. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that. If you did, join us for day 4.
See you there.
Bye.
Bye.